In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Expand in Canva. Magic Expand is Canva's tool that intelligently adds extra canvas around your photo, recreating believable background so your image can fit a wider layout or a new aspect ratio. It's perfect when you need more breathing room for text, a banner, or a thumbnail, without awkward cropping or stretching. Start by opening your project in Canva. Click once on the image you want to extend so it's clearly selected. At the top, click Edit. This opens a panel on the side with editing options. Scroll down until you reach the Magic Studio section and look for Magic Expand. If you don't see it at first glance, keep scrolling through the AI tools. It's there alongside the other Magic options. Now decide how much space you want to add. Use the size controls to set the expansion. Think about your final use. Do you need a wider landscape for a slide header or a taller portrait for social posts? A gradual increase often produces the most natural fill, especially if your background has patterns, lines, or a clear horizon. Subtle changes are faster to generate and usually blend more seamlessly. When you're ready, click Expand. Canva will analyze the image and generate new background that continues the colors, textures, and lighting from the original photo. Give it a moment to process. You'll see several variations appear as previews. Hover to inspect each one, then click the version you like best to apply it to your canvas. If none of the options feel right, simply run it again. Each round creates fresh results. After applying, zoom in around the subject. Check edges, shadows, and repeating textures to make sure everything looks consistent. If something seems off, undo and try a smaller expansion or generate a new set. For portraits, keeping the subject near the center before expanding can help maintain natural proportions. For product shots, a clean, evenly lit background tends to produce the most seamless continuation. Remember, Magic Expand extends what's already there. It won't move your subject, but it will carry patterns, colors, and lighting beyond the original frame. Once you've applied your favorite result, you can add text, logos, or crop the overall design to the exact aspect ratio you need, now with comfortable space for your layout. And that's the process from start to finish. Open your project, select the image, go to Edit, scroll to Magic Studio, choose Magic Expand, set the size, click Expand, and pick your favorite generation. With a bit of practice, you'll quickly learn how much to expand for different images. Enjoy creating polished, flexible designs with Magic Expand in Canva.